Welcome to 24 Goldenstone, located in the gated community of Aspen Glen, just minutes from downtown Carbondale. This 4,310 square foot home is an architectural masterpiece. Stone archways and fireplaces blend the outdoor veranda through to the indoors. The living room showcases a massive 25-foot rock fireplace, and floor-to-ceiling windows beautifully display the surrounding mountain scenery. The gourmet kitchen is topped off by a 15-foot extendable island, 6-burner stove, and top-of-the-line appliances. Just off the entry is the study, featuring custom built-in cabinetry and desk. With 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, including a separate guest suite with private entry, there is always plenty of room for family and guests to relax in both comfort and style. A short 30-minute drive to Aspen and just steps away from the Aspen Glen Clubhouse, world-class golfing, and gold medal fly fishing, 24 Goldenstone is truly a special home.